barriers to this are clearly where both parents either differ in their religious beliefs, or they don't transmit any sort of belief, and in other words, give the child choice in terms of finding their own path to God. There were other studies that I looked at in which as high as 95% of those cases, they were done on American families, resulted in the child turning to atheism when they were simply given a choice, because religion occurred as a choice, not as a truth from God. So these are the messages that our actions can convey. And of course, again, we can pair this with cognitive studies that will show that children will model based on what they see and the actions. The other thing is relying heavily on outside resources. Now, do we need Islamic schools and weekend programs and masajid to have activities? Yes, we do. Do we need good company? Absolutely, we do. All of those things are a necessity, but they cannot be the primary, they can't replace the primary role of the parents.